welcome back to our second segment. Once again, my name is Nelissa, and I am the marketing coordinator with the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. Today, I have an awesome member with us from 3C Mechanical. But before I get into it, I want to allow him the time to just introduce himself. So how are you today?
Doing well, doing great.
Daniel, if you could just tell us your first name and your title.
Okay, I'm Daniel Curry, President and CEO of 3C Mechanical, and basically do all kinds of things, really. You know, it covers a lot of bases.
Well, it's nice to meet you. This is our first time meeting.
Yes, it is, very much so.
Daniel, how's your day been going?
Very good, very busy, which is a great thing.
It is. It makes the day go by
very
fast.
Yes, it does.
Then we get to go home and
absolutely
eat dinner.
Yes, it is.
What's your favorite thing to eat here, locally or like a regular restaurant?
You know, barbecue. I like, you know, Cen-Tex or even Tony Demera's, things like that. Yeah.
What about Buc-ee's? Do you like Buc-ee's barbecue?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Absolutely.
Let me tell you what. Sometimes on the weekends, I will ask my husband to drive us down to Buc-ee's for a sandwich.
Yep.
Or even their breakfast burritos, but we really don't get up that early, so.
Yeah, I understand. Completely understand.
That's the best. I love going there. That's a Texas thing. Anyways, so Daniel, can you tell me a little bit about 3C Mechanical Technologies?
Absolutely. Be glad to. So 3C is a family-owned and operated company. We're in heating and air conditioning, a service company. We handle service, residential, commercial, and industrial. We started the business about going on 8 years ago now.
Wow.
Actually, a little bit about 3C. 3C actually is from 3 Currys.
Okay.
So my father, myself, and my brother. Dad started in the industry in 1972, and you know, has been in the industry ever since. And my brother and I really just kind of followed suit, and we very knowledgeable in air conditioning. We've been doing it for a very long time.
That's really good. You got me, because that was going to be one of my questions.
Okay.
What are the C's?
What are the C's? Yes, yes. So it's just something that came to mind, and I thought it was a neat play on it. So yeah, absolutely.
How long have you guys had that name for your business, 3C?
From the beginning.
Oh,
so,
okay.
you know, 8 years ago, we just decided, and luckily it was available. So.
Man, 8 years.
Yeah.
I have heard so many great things, and obviously y'all are members, but just so many great things from y'all, and it doesn't seem like, it seems like you guys are
been around
for so much longer than 8 years, so that's crazy.
That's great to hear. That's great to hear. It's something we pride ourselves in trying to be a good company towards our customers and employees. So absolutely.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yes, ma'am.
What are some things that 3C offers?
Yeah. So we offer, of course, service repair, equipment replacement for, you know, just changing your equipment out to newer, more efficient equipment. New construction, we handle all new construction from residential, commercial. Also building design, so we can design basically any setup that can fit your need. So you know, with the changing in technology, the fact, you know, this industry is changing fast in technology, and what we're able to do with that. You know, and so we were able to offer, you know, part of technology's part, you know, we keep ourselves up with the edge of what this industry offers. And so, you know, from the point of, you know, able to operate your system from your smartphone, tablet, computer, to, you know, the latest, most efficient equipment that's out there, communicating, that's more reliable, more efficient, costs you less to run. Yeah. So, and then also, you know, specials. We run specials throughout the year. That means from, you know, AC checks, heating checks.
It's hot.
Yes, it does. This is Texas. Heating checks as well for those few days that we get real cold.
That one time in October.
Yes, that one time in October. And then, of course, we offer discounts and rebates on equipment replacement.
Yeah.
Indoor air quality, of course, which is something that everybody's looking at now.
Yep.
And then other smart technology equipment and accessories.
That's really good. I need to have Deetrin contact you because we have actually had some air conditioning situations going on. We still we prop up the back door and put the fridge and let the fan.
Yes. Hey, whatever you got to do to get you through that moment, I understand.
How funny.
We've seen a lot of things.
No, but I really do. I'll have Deetrin reach out to you.
We'd be absolutely glad to take care of that for you. So
talking about that, preventative care.
Yes.
So we touched, we live in Texas. It gets hot. We really are having air conditioning issues at the chamber. So what kind of services do you guys offer, or what can you offer to, really anyone on preventative care?
Maintaining it. So, so that's, I think we have a platform that can fit anybody's budget, any person's budget. We have 3 programs, a silver, a gold, and a platinum. And all of them are very good programs that, even with the silver, you get a great basic platform that offers a 50-point inspection on your air conditioning inspection.
Yeah.
And then also heating the same way. And, you doing that maintains your equipment throughout the year and prolongs the longevity of the equipment, runs more efficiently. Your equipment maintained, if you're running a system that is improperly charged or not running at its optimum capacity, sometimes can cost you more in electricity usage than what your service charge may cost to repair that. So maintaining that agreement, or maintaining your equipment properly and being on a program that we offer, is a great way to maintain that. And then with each platform, we offer more benefits to that. So,
tell me, with the current pandemic, how has your business structure changed?
Okay. So, of course, number one is customers and employees' safety is first for us. Mm-hmm. That is a big deal for us. With any of our technicians, before they even go out to a service call to a home or business, our customer service representatives ask some questions to the customers regarding COVID and exposure.
Like pre-screening questions.
Correct. And then when our guys do go out on site, they are required to wear gloves, sanitize, maintain proper distancing. And so, those are very key to any time we are out on job site. If any of our technicians or any of our employees in general have been exposed, they're required to quarantine for a certain amount of time. That's requested from CDC.
Yes, we appreciate that. Obviously, we live in Waco, so not only that, but really everyone in the whole world is having to follow a certain set of guidelines. So as a business, we appreciate the fact that you're taking those extra measures and precautions for your clientele, basically.
Yes.
So that way we can all keep Waco safe.
And another thing, exactly, and another thing that I added with that, like I touched on a minute ago, indoor air quality, with this added coming on, we've seen an influx of customers concerned about indoor air quality.
Yes.
And we do have things that can meet those very needs, from UV lights to whole house air cleaners, ionizers, different things to name a few.
That's a lot, even in what you just said.
Right, and so it's very very important, and people are seeing that now because construction these days are much tighter, and that's a big deal inside of a home is your indoor air quality and your system that's circulating that. Yeah. And there's equipment that can help in
keep your home clean.
Exactly, and with those viruses, down to your simple viruses and mold and different things like that that they kill. So.
Well, Daniel, I really appreciate you coming on, and thank you for that information.
Yes, ma'am.
You'll have to send it to me so that way we can get it pushed through our newsletter, because that's something that's so important right now.
It is.
So important right now.
And it's been around for a long time, but we're finally seeing, people are opening up to it and realizing the importance of it. So
air quality? Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
You didn't, before, you really didn't used to think how important it was, but it really, it affects your health. And I'm not just saying that because of COVID, but I mean, it really does,
Oh, it does.
affect your health.
Allergies, you know,
Yes.
Everybody here in Waco, Texas, of course.
Yesterday, get out of here.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Absolutely.
Well, Daniel, I appreciate your time coming on. Before our segment's over, I wanted to know, if you had anything else that you'd like to add.
Absolutely. So if anybody's interested in our services, they can find us on our website, 3cmechanicaltechnologies.com. We're on social media. You can also, on our website, you can find our number. You can click on that number and it'll call us. You can request service online to where they can send, if they don't want to call in. A lot of people like nowadays to where they can just send a message to request service, and they can request a time frame or a day that works best for them. And they can, we run specials. They can see those things on social media. And also, if they join our mailing list, anything that we're running, they can. We will send them messages throughout the year that something comes up.
Perfect. So. I need to join it then. Do you guys have a text, like a text to subscribe?
Yeah. Well, no, I think that is a question from a marketing guy. I don't remember.
I'll ask. Yeah. Hey, let me tell you. I set one of those up for the chamber.
Yes.
Text CTHCC to 2828 to subscribe to our newsletter. But I set one of those up, and that really does help. So I think that's something that you guys should look at. But
absolutely.
I want to subscribe to that, so that way whenever you guys do have specials or whatever it is that you're doing, I always take those out of anyone's newsletter and then post it into our newsletter, so that way we can share it across platforms.
Absolutely. That's perfect.
Well, Daniel, I appreciate your time.
Yes,
I hope you had fun.
Absolutely. Enjoyed it very much.
Well, good. Don't tell people about my bad jokes that I do or put y'all through.
Oh, no, absolutely not. It's been a pleasure.
Good. I'm glad. Thank you so much for your membership.
Yes, ma'am.
Members really do help us complete our mission for our community. So I appreciate that so much.
We're proud to be a member as well. So.
Yay. Well, I hope that you have a really good holiday season.
You do the same. Thank you very much.
No problem. That concludes our segments for today. We appreciate all of you as members and non-members alike. Please continue to check up with us on social media, and we will see you next month. Happy holidays.